Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at a powerful utility tool for Android called B-SideLoader. If you frequently sideload applications and find it tedious to manually check for updates, track down new releases across multiple platforms, or manage installation files, this tool is designed to solve that entire problem. It streamlines the whole process of discovering, installing, and automatically updating your favorite standalone apps directly from the internet. Let us start by looking at the setup file. Opening up the file manager, you can see the B-SideLoader APK package stored directly in local storage. The installer package is lightweight, cleanly packaged, and requires no complicated prerequisites to get started. Having the standalone APK ready allows you to maintain full control over your installation without relying on proprietary storefronts. Tapping on the APK file brings up the standard Android package installer prompt. Confirm the installation permissions when requested, and within just a few seconds, the app finishes installing and is ready to launch on your device. Now let us open B-SideLoader and explore what it has to offer. The interface is clean, modern, and very easy to navigate. The primary strength of B-SideLoader lies in its seamless source integration. It features built-in support for fetching and automatically updating APKs directly from GitHub repositories and Telegram channels, ensuring you always have access to the latest upstream builds as soon as developers publish them. Instead of jumping between different apps and websites, B-SideLoader includes an integrated universal search feature that queries across all your configured sources simultaneously. When you find an application you want, installing it is frictionless. B-SideLoader can utilize special system-level privileges to perform silent background installations without repeated manual prompts. It supports Shizuku via ADB or root access, Dhizuku, SUI, and foreground services, giving you flexible control depending on your device setup. Security and privacy are also prioritized throughout the app. All of your private data, custom source lists, and personal configurations are securely encrypted locally on your device, ensuring that your tracking and download habits remain strictly confidential. That wraps up our complete overview of B-SideLoader. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more utility guides, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.